Hi guys, this is Shaheer Ahmad, and today I'm going to introduce to you a new component called Task List. This PCF control can be used to visualize tasks in a UI-friendly manner in Canvas applications. You can drag and drop the tasks to sort them, as well as you can view their descriptions by collapsing and expanding the task, as well as the description is supports HTML formatting. You can use this control in Canvas application as well as model-driven applications. You can also configure different colors for each record based on their statuses. Let me show you how you can import this control into your own Canvas application. Let's dive right into it. First of all, you will need to go to the GitHub repository for this control. I will drop the link into the video's description. If you scroll down, you can see all the import steps written here as well. And you can just click on this solution. And you can download this solution from here. Once the solution is downloaded, you can go into your Maker portal. Make sure the right environment is selected. Go inside Solutions. Click on Import Solution. And then browse and select your solution zip file. Click on Open. Click on Next. Click on Import. We will now wait for the solution to import. This can take a minute. As soon as the solution is imported, you can go into the Managed Solutions and verify that your solution has imported. Go back to the Unmanaged Solutions. Now, we will go ahead and add a new solution for our Canvas application. Give it a name and select our publisher and click on Create. The solution is imported. Before moving forward, we will first verify that the PowerApps Control Framework settings is enabled for our environment. In order to do that, click on the Settings and click on Admin Center, which will open a new tab. Click on Manage Environments and then select your environment. Click on Settings and under the product, select Features. Scroll down and you will find this setting called PowerApps Component Framework for Canvas apps. Make sure this is enabled and then click on Save. Once it is saved, you can close this tab and go back into your solution. And now add a Canvas application. To create a Canvas application, click on New in the ribbon, go into Apps and select Canvas app. Provide a name. And click on Create. Click on Skip. And then go into the Insert. Click on Get More Components. Select Code from the top. Select your component and click on Import. Once the component is imported, it will appear under Code Components in your Insert. Drag and drop the control on your screen. If you see this error loading control, don't worry. It will disappear as soon as we add some data. To add data, make sure the control is selected. Go into the Properties. Make sure Data is selected. and add your rows here and make sure the rows are with respect to this schema. I will paste this in the description as well. Now we add a new screen and go back to our screen to reinitialize our control. And as you can see that the control has initialized and is rendering our task just fine. We can add more tasks as well. We can change the color. Make sure that the unique IDs are always unique. And update the sort order. Play the application. Now the sort is working. Whenever the sort order is changed, there is an output property on the control which outputs the records. Let's add a text control to monitor our output. Type in the control name dot updated data. Here you can see there is a JSON array of the updated data that contains the updated sort order. Whenever we change the sort order, you can see that the output is also changing. In order to patch that, we need to parse this on the onChange property and then patch it to our data source. In order to patch it, we'll need to type a simple formula on the onChange property of the control, where we'll set a variable Now that our parse function is written, we can go ahead and test it by changing our sort order. And then previewing our variable, where you can see that our collection has been passed. We can use this to patch these records sort order back to our database. I will add this function in the description as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.